People are making so much money from content creation today. And listen, I'm a business owner and I sell my own products and services, but I have learned the secret of making even more money from the content that I'm creating without overdoing it. And in today's episode, I'm going to talk to you about how to take one piece of content and repurpose it in so many different ways so it can make you a lot of money. So I know that you're watching this video because you are saying to yourself, yeah, I want to make more money and I want to figure out how to do it. Now, obviously, there are so many different ways to make a lot of money, but this one we're just talking about repurposing content. And I know for me personally, as someone who I live in America, rising expenses and things of that nature, I'm constantly saying to myself, how do I generate more without having to put out more? Okay, because burnout is extremely real. And people are experiencing it more times than not. And so I have developed a way for me to be able to do what it is that I do and not have to do it over and over and over again to be able to make money. Because here's the deal. YouTube is paying, TikTok is paying, Instagram is paying somewhat, Threads is paying, Facebook is paying. And yeah, so there's lots of different ways that you can make money. And so you have to figure out how to actually put that into place. So let's go ahead and get into how I do it. So one of the things to note is that if you're going to be able to make a lot of money from one piece of content, one of the things you're going to have to do sooner than later is you're going to have a team. And that just may be a team member, okay? Now, you can easily go to Upwork.com or Fiverr.com and you can find someone and you can outsource a team member. And why do I say that? Because right now, if you're just getting started with making money online, you don't have a whole lot of money to be paying somebody else. But here's the deal. One of the biggest mistakes that I made early on in my social media career was not hiring anybody because I felt like I couldn't afford it. Honestly, I probably couldn't afford it, but at the same time, I honestly could not afford it because because I needed somebody to help me so I could make more. So if I was going to go back 10 years when I first got started, I would have hired an assistant early on. And the reason why you can outsource this is because you can go on some of these outsourced platforms in different countries and somebody could be a virtual assistant and their hourly rate is $3. Now, to you, that may seem like you're taking advantage of someone, but if that person says, here is my skill level, here is my rate, and it's $3 per hour, that's an oh happy day for you, right? What if you had that person working with you 10 hours a week? That's $30. That's $30 for the week. And you've just had somebody working with you for 30 hours that week. Does that make sense? So let's get into how the repurposing happens and how they can help you. So one of the first things that you can do is you can do exactly what I'm doing right now, which is filming a YouTube video, okay? YouTube pays, okay? Once you get to the 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours, then they start to pay. So what you could do is very similar to what I'm doing now is you can take a video and you can film it and you can do 20 minutes of this video. I say 20 because that's like the sweet spot where you have a lot of information you got in there and then you can chop it up into different ways. But let's get into that. So you take your one video, you do it well. You have your bullet points. You know exactly what you're going to talk about in that video. Maybe it's 5 bullet points or 7 bullet points or however many, and you go through your video. Okay. Now you're going to take that video and you're going to upload it to YouTube and let YouTube do its thing. But then now you got to have your process of how you're going to, use this video in other ways. Well, here's the deal. One of the things that I do is I will take my video and I will upload it into someone like Descript or upload it into something like Riverside, okay? And when you upload it into those platforms, it'll give you a transcription, right? And so then now you've got the transcription, you literally can take that transcription and you can plug it into AI and tell AI what this video was about, what you taught about, so on, so on, so on, and say where you want this to go. And then you want to make this into a LinkedIn article or into an email. And you tell it to take the transcriptions and turn it into an amazing email. And then turn it into an amazing newsletter for LinkedIn. And then turn it into an amazing blog post for you for your blog. AI is amazing, right? You say, don't make anything up, only use what's in here. And then I want to promote this and this and this product, or give me a place in here where I can give them a link to the YouTube video, whatever. And you give it to AI. Okay. Then guess what? Now AI has it. Okay. But you can give that to your assistant or you can keep going yourself. Now, once you've got that, now you can place that in your newsletter. You can place it in all the different places and then sell whatever your products you want to sell on the inside of that newsletter. Okay. In addition to that, that same video, you can use those same tools to chop up your videos into short videos, okay? And you can go into those tools and you can say, okay, you didn't like how it started here or started there, and you can click and you can tell them, okay, start here or start here. Okay. And then you take those same videos, download them, upload them to YouTube Shorts, okay, which is going to help you get traction on your YouTube channel, upload them into Facebook Reels because Facebook Reels is paying pretty big right now. If those videos are 1 minute or longer, upload them into TikTok because TikTok is paying a lot of money through its creator rewards program. Okay. Take those videos, post them to Threads because Threads is paying pretty good if you're in the Threads monetization program. Okay. And you start making money in all those different ways, right? Now you may say, well, wait, what do you mean? Listen, you just have to be very intentional with the beginning of the video, with like the beginning of the process. And that is writing out whatever your script is, your bullet points is for that YouTube video and being very, very intentional. Okay. For example, right now, while I'm filming this, I'm sitting here at my desk and my camera is a little bit at a distance over there. That way, when I take this video and I plug it into AI, it actually has some space between me and the camera where it can zoom in. Okay. Because if you film this horizontal and you film it super close and then it tries to chop it up into vertical, well, it's going to zoom in too close. But if you film it a little bit at a distance, the way that I have it over there, once it goes to turn me into vertical, it has a space to zoom in and it has the space to be able to put the different text on screen or hooks or whatever, what have you. Okay. So it's a really, really cool way of being able to create content, monetize that content, and make so much money from it. Like, just think about it. When I finish filming this, I'm going to take this video, I'm going to plug it into Riverside or Descript, get the transcription, and then I'm going to go into Claude because Claude knows me very well. And I'm going to say, I want to turn this into a newsletter. I want to turn this in this, and this, turn it into bullet points, so on and so on and so on. And within the article that you're writing, I want to promote I want to promote Riverside and my affiliate link, or I want to promote Descript and my affiliate link, whatever, you know what I mean? And guess what? Now, all we have to do is make a little bit of revisions. Me or my assistant can make those revisions. Now, once you got all those things, that assistant can then schedule those things. But truth be told, once you finish filming your YouTube video, you just upload that bad boy into Descript or Riverside, and then you tell them, okay, it's in there. And now they go and do the rest. Now you can go and finish running your business because now you've got someone who is doing the administrative things out after you finish your part. Like, I know it sounds like, what? Just think about it. There is someone who says, I can do X, Y, and Z task for $3 an hour. And you pay them for 10 hours a week, 2 hours a day. Imagine you get your 10 hours back and all you spent was $30. Think about it. $30. That is their rate. You may feel guilty initially because of the rate, but that's their rate. They asked for that rate. So don't feel bad about a rate that someone wants to get paid, okay? And that's going to save you so much time, so much energy, and so much money, okay? So y'all know here on my channel, I like to give you the goods. I don't like to hold anything back. I want you to know exactly what it is that I'm doing to make my life and my business easier, but also help me to make a significant amount of money. And it does me no good if I gatekeep. It does me no good if I don't tell you what I'm doing. So that's why I'm telling you. Okay. So if you enjoyed today's episode, let me know in the comments and be sure to subscribe and like this video. That way it can help me with my monetization on YouTube. Okay. And if you enjoyed this, just let me know. So thank you so much for listening and watching.